Hi, this is Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today, a quick video walkthrough on a 2017 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Took this boat in on trade. It is in a beautiful boat in beautiful condition. Has the desert tan hull sides, powered by twin Mercury 225 Verado 4-stroke outboards. Does have the engine covers. So we'll step aboard and take a look. Of course, we'll see boat is equipped with trim tabs. We have the Gearlick extendable boarding ladder, freshwater washdown through the cockpit entrance. So looking at the boat, we will see the leaning post does have the live well and sink, equipped with rod holders on the T-top, and has the optional sure shade added to the boat. Extends all the way aft for a nice shade on the cockpit. Very nice large rear casting deck. But one thing Whaler does so nice is integrate very family friendly and comfortable seating options. So flip of the switch, we have a very comfortable, leading in its class 3Y rear bench seat. Boat is equipped with the electronics. It has the 12-inch Simrad NSS 12, Simrad VHF Fusion stereo, JL audio speakers. It is also equipped with the optional subwoofer and wet sound soundbar for a truly awesome sound system. Moving forward, we do have a very accessible head with pump out porta potty. Very spacious seating, flip up lounger backrest all the way forward. Also has the optional filler cushion insert to extend your casting deck. There's a cushion that goes there for a full sun pad. Moving up to the bow, see boat has the optional windlass with wired remote for easy operation. And we'll finish up with one fantastic feature. And that is, of course, the forward-facing lounger with armrests, and also the storage garage. It's about waist deep, bucket holders, and you can put all your gear. That's easily accessible, even rod storage that is lockable. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, give us a call, 813-503-2649. Again, this is Brian Bachman. Enjoy your day on the water, and hope to hear you here soon.